You're heading outside. Rhonda Lee is joining you. She's at Auditorium Shores at the Gypsy Picnic Trailer Food Festival. It's soon to get underway. Lots of food and lots of weather. It looks pretty cool since you're still wearing the hats, gloves, scarf. How's it feeling out there, Rhonda?
It's feeling just the way I look. It's still cold out here, let me tell you. But I'm about to warm up. I have some Roy Ito's Picadillo. I was told to say it just like that. And he is just one of the 30 trailers out here. A wonderful day on tap. Let's go ahead and take a look at our current conditions. Right now, across the area, right now at Camp Mabry, it is 39 degrees, and at the airport, it is 33. And mostly to partly cloudy skies overall, but sun is definitely going to be the game of the day. Mold on the high side, juniper and ragweed on the low side, which is okay. But of course, if you have mold allergies, that's going to be your problem. Tropical storm Tomas, no longer a hurricane. Putting that into motion right now, there are still watches and warnings out for a good portion of the Caribbean, and that's moving off to the northeast. Our storm forecast, though, now look at this. Notice how we're actually doing okay across the area, putting this into motion. We stay pretty much dominated by high pressure. As the next system comes our way late this week, we do have a small chance of rain in the offing by the end of the week. And that's on Friday is when that's going to happen. Our lows overnight across the area, about 34 for us in Rockdale overnight, 33 in 32 that is in Lakeway. Lockhart at 34 degrees. Mainly our temperatures are going to remain pretty cold and pretty dry over the overnight hours. Our highs tomorrow, though, we do pop back up into the 70s. We're looking at about 70 for us here in the area, and in the lower 60s mainly for our hill country area, as well as off to the east of Austin along the I-35 corridor. Now, temperature-wise for us today, not bad. Right now, it's 39 degrees, and winds are nice and calm. Just a little bit of light cloud cover, and that's really just because our tower cam is so high up, but outside, it is beautiful. Winds are nice and calm, not really blowing at all. We're looking at 72 and mostly clear skies. Winds out of the southeast at about 5 miles per hour. Believe it or not, it will get to 72 at some point, and then, of course, a degree or two on either side of that. And in the overnight hours, really nice. 50 degrees, not bad. A little bit warmer than it was yesterday for the most part. Now, keep in mind, we could still see a little bit of patchy, colder temperatures, particularly off in the rural areas. Other than that, clear skies. Winds out of the southeast about 5 to 7 miles per hour. And the next 7 days are shaping up to be quite nice. Remember, do set those clocks back 1 hour at 2 o'clock in the morning. Today, a high of 72 degrees. Tomorrow, 75 and a low of 50. A little bit of patchy fog between Monday and Tuesday. 78 degrees on Monday, 81 degrees on Tuesday. And then the next system, as we saw on our upper level winds map, comes along about 83 degrees. The clouds do start to move into the area Thursday and into Friday, but notice how our next chance of rain right now isn't huge. It's only about 20% chance on Thursday and 80 degrees, and by Friday, 72. And a 10% chance. Now, again, we are here at Auditorium Shores live this beautiful cold morning. But, you know, it's November. We needed a little bit of cold air to make us appreciate the heat of summer. But other than that, folks, wonderful day on tap. Do head outside. Plenty of things. This is a busy entertainment week here in Austin. So that's it for now. We're live, Auditorium Shores. Rhonda Lee, KXAN, First Warning Weather.
Thank you, Rhonda. As she mentioned in her weather forecast, it is time to fall.